Welcome to the moving average backtesting using Python. This is a 4-part series and you are watching part number 4. In previous 3 parts, you have seen the logic of moving average and the correct setting of a simple moving average and exponential moving average that will give you a maximum profit for Nifty and Bank Nifty. In previous video, we have seen that if you use only single moving average, when the price is in a sideways, you will get lot of false signals. Now to avoid this sideways movement and the price fluctuation, for filtering purpose, we are going to add another moving average. And you will find the correct setting of these two moving average that will give you a maximum profit. For example, let's backtest Nifty with simple moving average. Let's say one commonly used combination of 50 and 200. So 50 is used for filtering purpose and 200 will be used for entry and exit of signal. So if we have used the simple moving average 50-200 combination, you will get around 47% ROI over a 10-year data. But for the same period, you will get buy and hold ROI of around 200%. You can check the results in a graphical manner. Here, the red line indicate the fast moving average of setting 50 and the blue line indicate the slow moving average of setting 200. So here when there is a crossover, we have initiated a trade. And again, when the fast moving average again crosses from the top, we exit the trade. Remember, for all the series we have considered only long trades. Now, if you backtest any other combination, that will give you definitely a different return. You can see here return is 112. For a same data, you will get different returns for a different setting. So what is correct setting for Nifty or Bank Nifty? Again, we'll take a help of a programming. But here you will come to know that we are testing huge number of combinations. I'll show you. So on a Nifty simple moving average, let's say minimum setting for fast moving average is 1, maximum setting is 200. Again, a minimum setting for slow moving average is 1 and maximum is 200. So what this code is going to do, it is going to backtest all the moving average for slow as well as fast, and it will tell us the correct combination. So here you can see, first, what if you take fast moving average with setting 1 and it will backtest all slow moving average combinations from 1 to 200. Then the program will update the fast moving average setting to 2 and again it will backtest. So if you see, the total combinations are 200 into 200. So that many combinations we are backtesting for Nifty simple moving average. Now we are going to also backtest Nifty for exponential moving average and Bank Nifty for simple as well as exponential. So we are doing this backtesting 4 times. So that give you approximately 1,60,000 combinations of a moving average. Backtesting takes a lot of time. Approximately a single backtest for Nifty, it will take around 4 hours. So I have already done the backtesting and store the results. So if you backtest Nifty with simple moving average, these are the combinations that will give you a maximum ROI of 167%. Now this is huge difference if you use only single moving average. In previous video you have seen that if you use single moving average for Nifty, whether it is a exponential or simple, you will get around 125%. But if you use combination of moving average, you are able to get 167%. That is around 45% increase in ROI. So that's why you should go for two moving averages instead of one. Now this is the result for Nifty simple moving average. What if we use a exponential moving average? So the same results, so 40, 68 and 166% ROI. So with exponential moving average for Nifty, you should use these settings. Now let's go into details of these settings. See, buy and hold, we are able to give 200% and our strategy gave us around 161% ROI. So these are the other parameters, you can check it out. Now this is very important parameter that increase significantly. In previous all strategies, if you observed carefully, this win percentage was very less, like it was around 26% or 30%, but it is now increased to 43% with two moving averages. And you can see the results here. If you have looked closely the previous video, there are large number of red dots in this zone. Why? Because of the fluctuations in the price. Now these are totally gone. So that's the beauty of two moving averages, one for signal and one for filtering. Now let us see the settings for Bank Nifty. See, the Bank Nifty gave us around 274%. That is huge. If you use setting of 8 and 37. Now these settings are nowhere near to commonly used setting. Even a dream you have not imagined, this setting will give you a maximum profit. So these settings for simple moving average, and if you go for exponential moving average, you will even get a more profit, that is 281%, around 282%. Here you have to use fast moving average as 50 and slow as a 45. Let's go into details of that setting. Bank Nifty exponential moving average 50 and 45. See, we have significantly beat a buy and hold. So buy and hold 238% with this around 274%. So these are the annual returns, and you can see with this setting your win rate is very high, 63%. In single moving average, there was no strategy was able to give you more than 50%, even more than 40%. All win percentage were less than 40. But with this setting, 50 and 45 of exponential moving average, remember this is very important, on a bank nifty, you will get ROI of 273%. So here you go. If you want to trade a bank nifty, you can have exponential moving average with setting of 50 and 45. If you want to see the graphical results, you can see here lot of blue dots you can see, and red dots are getting eliminated. Okay, so here we have taken one entry, here one exit, and even in a sideways market there are very low number of entries. If you have taken only price as a crossover signal, you will have a lot of entries in this area. But as we have used another moving average as a filter of a price, you are getting only two signals. So you got the correct setting of Nifty and Bank Nifty with moving averages. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And if you want to backtest any other indicator, write it in the comment section. Now what is happening here is two moving averages are diverging and converging. So based on this concept, we are going to backtest another indicator in a next video. If you have guessed that indicator, write that in comment section. See you soon.